watching guys. Today I'm doing a vlog here at Sydenham, so enjoy. We have a Tangara and another noisy plane, Jetstar. Front half T16. Probably won't be able to get the rear half just like normal with Tangaras. Rear half is also MSET door, so that's a full MSET door Tangara. Not too often you see that. This train today is a Cronulla service, by the way. Or at least I think it is. Rear half. Unknown. Tangara set front half T16 being the front half. Departing platform number 6 for a Cronulla service. First stop will be Walleye Creek, then Rockdale, Kogarah, Allawa, Carlton, Allawa. Now it's closing its doors again. Hurstville, then all stations to Saville, and then all stations to Cronulla. I think they're the stops. Come on, get the rear half. T22 is the rear half. So they're all in the right area. Probably should be on another platform, but I think we have a Lidcombe service, front half M7. Being the front half of this MSET, now departing. Next up for this is Marrickville, followed by Dulwich Hill, and all stations to Lidcombe. M22 rear half. T22, M22. You should have another Tangara arriving on a platform. It's arriving on platform 5. Front half's an XG set, that's all I know because I saw it before. Come on. Please let me see your set. No. It's off sector though. That's exciting. Yes, Tangaras are a pain in the ass for doing that. We have whatever the off sector XG set departing platform number 5. I smell popcorn for some weird reason. Trains next stop Redfern, Central Town Hall, Martin Place, King's Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. Rear half stopping set doors, okay. No chance of getting there, rear half. I mean front half, the rear half is T40. We have another MSET, M4 and M33, I think. This is a central service. City Circle service. Next stop is St. Peter's and then Erskineville, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St. James and Wilson. Oh my god, these planes. M4 and M33, I'm pretty sure that's it. It's like the 4th time seeing this. Yeah, and feed free. T57 front half of this Tangara now arriving, presumably for a Waterfall service. Has MSET doors. Every time. Not sure if, again, I won't be able to get the rear half because Tangaras are a pain when it comes to this kind of stuff. Let's see if I can get it. T30 something. T30 maybe. 7 being the front half of this Tangara, now departing platform number 6 for a Waterfall service, I think. T30. I was right. Next up will either be Tempe or Walleye Creek, one of the two. Another one of those chopper train Tangara thingos, arriving into platform number 5 for a service to Bondi Junction from Cronulla. Next up, front half's off sector. Don't know if I'll be able to tell you what it is. Its next stop is Redfern, Central Town Hall, Mountain Place, Kingscroft, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. T94, yes, there's a place to stand. T94 is off sector T94 being the front half of this off sector Tangara, now departing platform number 6 for Bondi Junction from Cronulla. Rear half is also off sector T69, I think that was. I'll double check. No, T96, the other way around. New front half for a Liverpool service. Obviously in the Bankstown line, I don't think you'd be going via the Illawarra line if you were going to Liverpool. I don't think you'd want to either. M12, yes, I was right. 12 is the rear half. Passing H49. Took a very long time to get here. Yeah, it's blocked out by the M, so might just be able to see it through there. To an M12 departing platform number 2. Next stop is Marrickville. T-set T27 front half for a service to Waterfall. No, Cronulla, sorry, Cronulla. Right up the arse of the Kiama, like literally. Not that trains have bottoms, but try and get the rear half for you guys. T13. T-set's now departing platform 6. Rear half's T13, front half is... can't remember. The Cronulla service. T18, sorry. T7. M sets again. This has literally been the only train running the Bankstowns except 2 Waratahs and 2 S sets. M2 is the front half of this M set. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Goodbye.